Urban Utilities provides safe drinking water to over 1.5 million customers and residents in South East Queensland. We also take away their wastewater, treating the equivalent of 140 Olympic-sized swimming pools every day. And those bugs are very, very effective and very efficient at removing ammonia and nitrogen. So that makes our process far more efficient. We're able to do what we do with using far less energy, less chemicals.
Really highlights the patience and persistence with which we've been actually undertaking innovation at Urban Utilities. So, you know, some people started with the idea, others have picked it up and fostered it along the way, and finally now we've actually delivered the project, and it's a great testament to that spirit of innovation in our organisation.
You can't actually import the bugs into Australia, so they have to be grown here, and they take a long time to grow, and that's what makes this project so significant.